And it is time for another beach adventure in Kalmar. This is Kattrumpan beach, which in literal translation means the kitten's ass. Indeed. Not sure why is that the name of the beach. I saw one sculpture of two cats here, and it is a small sandy beach with large green area as well, and there is also a small jetty as well. And yes, here compared to earlier at the open sea over there, here it is 19 degrees Celsius in the sea. Over there earlier where I measured it was 17, so quite warmer. And in the air right now it is 6:30 p.m. it is 19 degrees Celsius. And this is my second beach adventure in Kalmar. Yes, I am now in Kalmar for 3 days before I head to Öland and be there for 8 days. So Kalmar is the capital of the Kalmar region, which is obviously in Sweden, and it's my first time visiting this city, so I'm really happy to and eager to explore Kalmar city. Here on the sandy part of the beach, to be fair, there are lots of bird shit, so I will be actually moving now to the jetty because it is cleaner over there, to take the second swim for today. It is quite amazing, isn't it? And we can see also beautiful buildings on the other side of the sea over here. That seems like a very posh neighborhood to me. Definitely. And that neighborhood is very close to the Ålands Bridge that I can see also here in the distance. And you can just see how clean the water is. It is amazing. And you can see the whole beach as well. Okay, there is one sandy part as well on the other side I can see. And here they have put convenient bench with hangers to put the towels. And here we have another sign that it is shallow water again. The architecture here in Kalmar is quite interesting. The buildings are quite very authentic, how to say. Okay, this actually looks quite deeper than earlier, but I'm gonna walk in anyway. Yes, this is Kattrumpan beach, the kitten's ass. So yeah, then I am ready for yet another swim here in Kalmar on this 19th of June. Yes, wonderful Wednesday, and I am on vacation now, so I'm gonna be enjoying the beaches here in Kalmar and Öland on my vacation in these 11 days. Cool, then let's take a swim. Let's go. Really nice. Really nice indeed. The water is so salty and nice. And I can stand here. So it's around 160, 1 meter and 60 centimeters based on this. As I am tall, 184 centimeters. So yeah, take a look around before I wrap up this episode from Kattrumpan. I can see also the beach where I took a swim earlier today. So yeah, that's a wrap from Kattrumpan, and I'm gonna be enjoying a bit more in the water before I head out. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.